Well, hey y'all, we got another eBay mail order going out today. This one is going to a Michael S. from Pewaukee, Wisconsin. If I screwed that up, I'm sorry, but it's Pewaukee. Anyhow, Mr. Michael ordered a dipstick for a Ford. And not only he ordered one, but he ordered 2 dipsticks for a Ford. So that's thinking with your dipstick, Jimmy. All right, Mr. Michael, we're gonna get these boxed up for you. This is Dixie Customs. That's our main channel on YouTube. If you don't mind, check it out. Like, share, subscribe. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it thanking you for your order. So we're gonna get these wrapped up and sent out to you today so you can get your project back underway. And we do appreciate your ordering, and we appreciate doing business with you. And look forward to doing business with you in the future. This 4-foot long box for some dipsticks. All right, but there you go. Your box is headed your way. It should get to you hopefully by the end of the week. So thanks for your order. Check out the channels, please subscribe, and we appreciate your business.